Hi, this is Andy with RockyTrax, and this is a quick walk around and inventory checklist on the 2019 Vintage Overland Teardrop. So up front we have a 5-pound propane bottle, a small table, outdoor carpet, some wheel blocks, and this also comes with a 7-gallon solar heated road shower. At the back of the teardrop, underneath are 2 stabilizer jacks that you can crank down and use to stabilize the camper while you're in it. There's a 2-inch receiver hitch, which works well for a bike rack or a cargo rack, which we rent both also if needed. That is an 8x8 ARB awning, very high quality. Inside the camper is a queen size mattress. It does come with full bedding when it does go out as a rental. Underneath the mattress is a solar panel, and that's to plug in and recharge your Goal Zero battery, which we'll see here in a minute. This is a dry kitchen galley. Each of these cupboards have basic car camping items like paper towels, pots and pans, some aluminum foil. And there's 2 skillets in that little cupboard right underneath that aluminum foil. Some measuring cups, pots, some bowls. I think there's a strainer in there as well. Some disinfectant wipes. These are marine grade hinges and latches. So in this cupboard are also some kitchen towels and some baggies, a little oven mitt, some dish soap, hand sanitizer, and some bug spray. Here we have some coffee cups and some drinking cups. The next one, a small battery powered lantern. Mostly that's open storage for your kitchen items that you want to bring along. Here we have matches, trash bags, some wet wipes, and some seasonings. In this cupboard we have the storage space for the Coleman cook stove, as well as a lighter and some paper for fire starter. The cook stove is currently out on a table, which we'll see here in a minute, but that's where that cook stove goes. And here you access the foot of the bed. It's also some extra storage. That little case is for the Goal Zero battery. That's where you transport it. First aid kit. Down in here are some tools. You've got a tire iron, the little wrench used for cranking down the stabilizer jacks, little dustpan, outdoor mat, air pump. The air pump is used to pump air into the 7-gallon tank, so you can pressurize it so you actually have water pressure on that water heat solar power tank. Here, this is a 150 watt Goal Zero battery. It's wired to plug into the camper and operate the lights in the camper. So you have some exterior lights here in the dry kitchen galley, and then there's some lights also up in the front cabin, which we'll see here in a minute. This camper does come with everything you see here. A utensil set of utensils and cookware in a roll bag, the Coleman stove, gas line that hooks to the 5-pound propane bottle, a paper towel holder, tea kettle, coffee percolator, looks like a little pot scrubber, and then here you have a few more pots and a couple of little Tupperwares for extra food and things left over after cooking. All that goes in this little plastic container here. This is a Cabela's roll top camp table. There is a video, or at the end of this video there's a little clip on how to put that together. 2 camp chairs, all that goes with the camper. Up front it comes with a 2-gallon water jug. I think I mentioned the outdoor carpet. You have an interior ceiling fan that's reversible, and then you have interior lights and an exterior floodlight. As I said, full bedding. It also comes with a wool blanket and a green tarp that you can lay over the bedding, just so that you can put your camp gear on there without getting the bed dirty. Okay, here's a little video of putting this table together. I apologize, the GoPro's on my cap, and as I watch this it makes me dizzy, so I hope you can get through this without getting too dizzy. But there's 2 stabilizer bars that go on the end and they hook on. Then there's a center bar that just clips into place with the 2 little tabs that go in the holes. And then once those 3 bars are in place, then you just roll the tabletop on and snap it in on either side of the table. So while this is playing out, just as a reminder, there is a cargo rack that can be rented extra. There's a 2 bike rack, 2-slot bike rack that goes into that rear receiver that can be rented extra. You can also rent a little porta potty setup. It comes with a little outdoor potty and a little privacy shelter that can be rented extra. You can also rent a 2,000 watt generator if you wanted to have extra power, although that little battery does a good job for a few days, and then you can always recharge it with the solar panel, or you can plug it into your car battery and charge it. And that's the Cabela's table.